Okay, you've probably not seen one of these before, but this is where optimization of boxes and packaging started. This is a chart which was produced by Amcor in 1976, the hottest summer of the year in the UK. And it was an analog ready reckoner and the forerunner of what we use today, which is optimization software like Cape, Stack Builder, Tops, etc. So I've had this for years. I used to work for Amcor, but I had nothing to do with this particular chart creation. I used it when I did work for Amcor. So this is how it all started, really. So we've got palette patterns on the left-hand side, and we've got this very complex sort of chart, which took years to work out and calculate how to create a chart like this with, well, just basic mathematics, really. So here we've got the width of the palette across the top, which in this case might be 1000. Down here we've got the length of the palette, which the middle line is the 1200. So we've got a 1200 by 1000 palette, and therefore also the length of the box and the width of the box across here. And effectively you're running along the lines to find the outside size of your shipper, width and length, and where the two lines join or intersect gives you a pattern number. So here in the red I've got 290 OD for the shipper on the width and 390 OD on the length, and where these two intersect, as you'd expect, you get roughly 95 to 100% coverage on the area of the palette, because and it's shaded here, shows you the shading there, because the pattern is 10B9 or 10B3. So 10B3 is this pattern here, and as you'd expect, it's a perfect fit on a palette. However, if the box was, say, 410 long by 280 wide, you come down to this intersection where the bullseye is, and it's given you a pattern of 9T1 or D1, and the pattern is only sort of 80 to 90% coverage of the area of the palette. And that particular solution is this one here, which you can see there's a black area there, which is the space. Also D1 is this one here, there's space there. So that's where I would start looking way back in the years gone by as to where we can change the palette size, box size, and can we change the primary inside. Of course, this doesn't really cover the primary pack. That had to be calculated by hand or using a calculator to see if you took a few millimeters off the primary pack, whatever it was, can you get a better box fit on this pattern here, and therefore increase the volume of product that's shipped on a pallet. So that's how it all started, and now of course we use programs which help us to do this a lot quicker. But I thought I'd just show you the history of this sort of optimization, calculation, etc.